Welcome back to our channel, Learn, Do, Teach Hairstyles. For those who don't know us, my name is Carrie and this is my daughter Gracie.
Hi everyone!
Now this channel is all about learning new and different hairstyles. So if this is your first time here, we would love for you to subscribe. And if you're already a subscriber, we thank you and we love you guys so much for your support.
Today we're going to be showing you guys how to do the Dutch Infinity Braid.
Now with this Dutch Infinity Braid, the hand placement is going to be set differently than a regular normal Infinity Braid. So I know with practice, you will get it.
So let's get started.
This style is normally done on dry hair, but being that she just gotten out of the shower and it takes a long time to dry her hair, we're going to do it wet. Anything I use in this tutorial, I'll leave a link in the description box below. We're going to take a small section from the back of her head. You're going to take this and split into two even sections. Okay, so these two strands are going to be your anchor strands to make this Dutch Infinity possible. You're going to pick up a small section right here on the right, and you're going to go ahead and go under the neighbor strand, over the left strand. Now you're going to add a small section to this little strand here, and then you're going to go ahead and go under this neighbor strand. Before this strand goes back over to the right strand, you're going to hold this between your thumb and pointer finger right here. You're going to hold it. Make sure it's flushed, okay? Make sure you're flushed with that, okay? Hold it just like this. Hold this strand here, and you're going to go ahead and go over that strand, this right strand, just like this. Now you're going to go ahead and add a small section to the strand. It took me a long time to figure out how to do this. Okay, so now you have it like this. You're going to take this strand and you're going to go under this next strand here, the neighbor strand. Take this strand, the main anchor strand, hold it and bring it and widen it out, okay? Basically hold it, flush it, widen it out like this. Take this strand, go over and hold on to it hold on to this with your fingers. Then you're gonna go ahead, add a little section to that strand. And you'll have it like this. So now you're going to be holding your hands like a fist, like you're fighting, okay? Now you're going to go ahead and take this and bring it under this left anchor strand and make sure that this anchor strand is widened out. And now take this strand over the right strand, and then you're going to add a section to that strand here. This is basically all that there is to it. You're going to need a lot of practice if you don't know how to do it with this particular hand movement. The right strand is going to go under the anchored strand right here. And that anchor strand right here is going to go ahead and widen out. Now you can go ahead and bring it over the other left anchor strand. Hold it and flush it up against there. And then you're just going to go ahead and add more to this strand here. And this is all repeated. I'll do a couple more steps. I'm going to go under the anchor strand of the left. And take that left anchor strand and widen it out. See how it goes and widens it out? Now you're going to bring it over the right anchor strand and then add a section to this strand here. Okay, and then you're going to go under this anchor strand of the right. Make sure that that right anchor strand is now going to go ahead and stretch it towards her face. Show you again. So this goes over the left anchor strand. Go ahead and add a section to that strand. Now you're going to go under this left anchor strand. Pull this anchor strand wide, okay? So you're going to go ahead and pull it towards her face. See how it's getting that infinity Dutch look? It's nice and tight right there. So again, you're going to go ahead and go over. And now you're going to go ahead and add more strand to this right here. So scoop up a section and add it to that strand. Okay, I'm going to go under the right anchor strand. Take that anchor strand and pull and widen it out towards her face. Okay, widen it out. That's all there is to it. One more time. Add a section from the left side to this left strand. Smooth it out. Now go under the left anchor strand. Make sure that this anchor strand, after it goes under, widens out, and hold it just like this between your thumb and your pointer finger. Widen it out and then go over this strand here. This is all repeated until you get down to the nape area. I'm going to go a little faster for time purposes only.
Everybody wanna sing, sing, sing. You're a winner when you sing, sing, sing.
I've got a song, you hum along, and we have fun, fun, fun when we're moving to the beat. This kind of song makes you belong to something greater, something that makes you wanna sing. And it gets you in a dancing flow, and moving gets so easy, feeling easy to me. And it makes you kicking up what's slow, and living gets so easy, easy. And again and again and again and again and again and again, I want this flow. Oh baby. And again and again and again and again and again and again, I play it on. Sing, 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 you gotta sing to believe it. Sing to believe it. Yeah, 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 yeah. Sing, 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 if you can sing, you can feel it. Give it up, get out, just go for the top. Sing along. Everybody wanna sing, sing, sing. Take it on. You're a winner when you sing, sing, sing. We've got a song, they hum along, and they have fun, fun, fun when they're moving to the beats. And it gets you in a dancing flow, and moving gets so easy, feeling easy to me. And it makes you kicking up what's slow, and living gets so easy, easy. And again and again and again and again and again and again, I play it on. Sing, 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 you gotta sing to believe it. Sing to believe it. Yeah, 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 yeah. Sing, 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 if you can sing, you can feel it.
Okay, so I'm on the last of her hair at the nape area. So I'm just going to go ahead, continue doing this.
Take it on. You're a winner when you sing, sing, sing. Sing along. Everybody wanna sing, sing, sing. Take it on. You're a winner when you sing, sing, sing. Sing along. Take it on. Sing, sing, sing now. Get up and just sing now.
Okay, so I'm going to stop right here. I'm going to secure it off in the elastic band. So with this extra hair, I'm just going to go ahead and just loop it around, okay? And then secure it off in the elastic band.
Get up, just go for the top.
And I'm just gonna put something just to hide this. Go back over here and just fix and just pancake out the outside sections. And there you have it. Final spin. Thank you guys so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed this tutorial and find value in it. Now, if there's a style that you would like us to recreate, please let us know in the comments below.
We love feedback, so let us know about your success in following our videos on parts you might be able to improve on. Also click on the notification bell right next to the subscribe button.
Help support our channel by clicking the links in the descriptions. Now this helps us to continue making videos for you.
Don't forget to smash that like button.
And click our logo below so you don't miss any of our upcoming tutorials.
To watch more of us, click on over there. Love you guys. Till next time.
Learn it, do it, and teach it to others.
Bye.
Bye guys. God bless.